morning, channel. Thanks for coming back. If you guys haven't watched the last previous video, go back and check it out. I'll drop a link to it right here or right here, whatever YouTube decides to allow me. We've got a really exciting week this week. We got the airport kicking off. We've got trucks sitting there right now. Dalton's running over there, check some things out. But we finally have dirt leaving that job. 2nd Street is moving along. We have got some gnarly rain chances this week. I'm talking Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday here. Let's see if I can pull it out. Yeah, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So, getting prepared as much as we can. Luckily, the job that Dakota's on is 2nd Street, and it's all work in the road, all water and sewer in the road. Hoping to pour the crews to it this week and maybe jump ahead a little bit on that rodeo. Bill Airport taking off and flying, literally, haha, no pun intended, ha 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 ha. Guys, don't be afraid to comment down below. Let us know what we're doing right, let us know what we're doing wrong. We'd love to hear from you guys. And maybe some video ideas. Me and Will have been racking our heads about what we should be doing, what we shouldn't be doing, what we need to be bringing to you guys. Let us know, y'all the audience. So let's have a killer week. Thanks for coming along. Every single one of those apartment complexes back in the OG Sycon days, we did every single copper breezeway loop for every one of those buildings. That was super, super fun. This afternoon. Oh, I'm so glad you're recording this. Okay, if I do not respond to you during the day, it's because I stop, I enter your text message, look at your text message, and I read it, and I put thought into it, not just and go on. I'm sorry if I take a little bit of time getting back to you. Oh my gosh, dude, we gotta go to CVS. My prescription's ready. Beautiful. That's awesome. If you stop by there, look at it. He said, I'm gonna need, he's like, I've dumped 4 loads over there. He said, but I'm gonna need some more. And I said, well, I don't even want to screw around with it. If we need it, we need it. Get up here, we'll cut this back. I'd say, does it get into red at all, bro? At all? It's just soft, ain't it?
Nasty clay, gummy stuff.
Gumbo. I'd say cut it, you know. How much did he cut there? 8 inches, a foot?
He didn't tell me. I mean, it's like a water bed when you come across it.
No, I bet it's pumping. You might as well cut it and call Dalton and get him to order you a couple loads from the quarry and have him just drop it and it'll show up. I mean, we're just gonna have to build a haul road in here, and there ain't no sense in having that be right there by the entrance. You know what I mean? So if we can get away with it, cut a foot down. How you like running that big baby?
It's fun.
You tired of it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sick to death of it.
Welcome to this big job I keep talking about. This is the Bentonville Airport. We have been working on this deal for a little while to get it going underway finally. We've had to work with the city on numerous things to try and effectively get trucks moving out of here, fighting some battles on some truck issues we were just talking about. As you can tell, we've got a PC360 behind me, a Komatsu. Shout out to Taylor White from Ken White Construction. PC360 behind me, loading truck after truck after truck. They've got a little bit of a lengthy turnaround today. We're getting this dirt up. There's going to be some future hangars built here, so we're just getting rid of the dirt as of right now. We could not be any more excited to get this thing underway finally. And as Mr. Calvin, as you just heard, not super in love growing roots out of his jeans into the seat of that Treco, we're gonna have to find us an operator over here pretty quick. The old mechanic man's gonna get a little pissy. Come on. We've got 2,400, 2,500 loads of dump truck loads, separate dump truck loads to move out of here over the course of the next 4 months. Hopefully that's what we're gonna be doing as fast as we can and hopefully as efficient as we can.
So we're here at the job trying to get a sewer service in. The last one going into this building. We knocked out all the other ones that are going in here. So we did a tap on the 8-inch main, and now we're running a 4-inch sewer service. It's running at a 2% slope. It's gonna flow right into this building and take care of their plumbing. Just run downhill, get stuff done.
finest team in Northwest Arkansas.
Hi.
What's up?
I'm not sure where that guy is yet.
No?
No.
I just came to say hi, that's all.
No, man, I'm
He
a
got
guy
a-
that can produce submittals.
he got
I'm
a-
the submittal
He
guy.
was very
I'm a guy that
specific.
can produce
He was
submittals.
very specific.
Remember we talked about I can be the anything guy.
He's gonna be the guy.
He is the guy.
Yeah.
I like that one better.
There you go. These ones right here, got Tyler talking to the same dude that did ours.
That's pretty fly. I like those.
Legit. They're not bad.
Do some trade.
Silk fence?
Some fence is rolling, dude. It's rolling. Order is coming.
Ciao!
Who's going, me and you?
You can take us. I'm sure, yeah. Take the whole office, come on.
Where you
Jesse,
wanna go?
where you want to go? He's like, okay, call me off guard, all right. Tyler. He ain't in here. Okay,
Right
cool. I'm out.
One day you'll get a real salesman, and you'll be back over here, baby. I'll allow it for now.
Be safe, bub. Yep, stopped in here, swung and said hi to the Windwater boys. They were all in here. I ain't been on no video. I ain't been on a video. Thought I'd throw them on the old video. We appreciate them very much. They've been they're fixing to be slinging us some pipe on a couple of different projects, and they supply us with fire hydrants, valves, any material that we need to get our utility projects done. Silk fans, straw wattles for dirt project. They're there to help us, and having a good supplier, no matter where it's located, is absolutely crucial in this industry. You've got to have somebody you can rely on the material side. Neil on nicotine, you know, it's bad advice, don't start. Anyhow, we're gonna swing over here and say hi to Mr. Rusty Alexander. Very influential, crucial guy for Sycon and what we are today. He actually sold me my first truck. Most of our fleet are trucks that come from him. He's been really extremely good to us over the years. Company name is Integrity Automotive. He is national here in the United States. I don't know if he shipped to Canada before or not, but anybody that's looking for utility trucks, can't go used, need to find good mileage trucks, check out integrityautomotive.com. And we're fixing to go say hi to Mr. Rusty and go look at a few trucks. Shout out to Mr. Rusty.
Check it out.
Hi there, how you doing?
It's the best man in Arkansas.
Yeah.
Building cars. This is sick.
Yeah, this is a new RKI body, and he's showing me all about the new RKI body.
That crane's sick, dude. That crane is sick. I need this truck. Will's getting kind of a special treatment. Just had some lunch by the supplier. Gets to ride around with Bob.
That guy was 84 years old.
Are you serious?
84 years old. Works every day.
Of course he does, because
Yeah.
there's no other way. His brain is. There was no other way back
No.
then. I need me a little doggy. So this is 2nd Street. I know we haven't talked a whole lot about it. Really cool project that we're a part of. Again, rehabbing water main, sewer main. We started off at a kind of a little difficult section with some storm drain issues. Had to cut out and remove some sidewalk. 45'd over there to the edge of the road. We cut some services across the road. Everybody that's coming up through there that's getting obviously attached to this new water main, we're running brand new service lines to their meter cans. I'm going across the road on both sides of the road. The guys have moved up the road. There's sewer line going to be coming up that road as well. So as you see behind me, we're starting water on this end and sewer on this end. Water right now only. Get our water ran up here. We'll get all of our water tied together, get everybody switched over, and then we're going to go ahead and start sewer after that. Love to be a part of the city infrastructure work. It's what we're about. It's what we do. It's not all about building new things. It's taking care of the old, replacing old water mains, old sewer mains. It's always going to be here, so we're glad to be a part of it. The guys have done exceptionally well on that section of 2nd Street, especially how busy it is traffic-wise. It was very heavily trafficked, and then they've just done another expansion in downtown that led up to this. So folks have been dealing with road closures everywhere. This is downtown Rogers as much as it can get. It's not like working downtown New York by any means. One of the larger towns that we have here, and we're gonna go down here, talk to the guys a little bit, see what they got going on.
Zeus and Ishmael will. I imagine I'll probably help.
Zeus and Ishmael doing what? Laying pipe?
Yeah.
We're starting at a hydrant down there?
Yes, we're gonna run backwards.
I love it.
We're gonna tie it all in together up there.
Laying pipe, baby. Bet you. We gonna lay pipe tomorrow in the rain?
Why wouldn't we?
All right, send her back up.
Look in the spec room, see what the detail says about it.
Ah! You
This
worked
is
with
Dalton.
Dalton and Bobby yet?
This is Dalton calling me right now.
All right. Hey, chin up. Old guy, old fella, he's hard on himself. Let's go check some stuff out, Will. Agua. ¿Dónde? Hydrant? T? Plug? Valve? Valve or no? Just plug? Valve? Plug?
D-mark down there.
Let's find out. I think I'll shake this hand real quick. Ah! What is that? Thank you. That was good. Seriously. All right. As you guys saw, we're finally cutting some pipe here, getting it ready. Water pipe's going in right now. Water pipe's down 2nd Street's already covered. Like I said, we've got sewer to run here and on the other section, but this job's going really well. Pouring the guys to it. They're digging right down the road. As you can see, it's tight neighborhoods, just like Gravit. Guys are doing exceptionally well. You can tell by the video, it's clean. They just brought an 8-inch freaking water line through there, through people's residences, and really proud of the work they're displaying, seriously. I think we're gonna head back to the shop. I think wrap the old day up, what do you say? Guys, that does it for us today. If you wouldn't mind, if this content was something that you might like to watch, hit that subscribe button below. Drop a like on the video. Leave us a comment. Any of those 3 help us out so much. We have some really cool video ideas and a lot of cool, awesome content coming your guys with big machines, moving a lot of dirt. And you guys get to see the behind the scenes of the in and out of us. So other than that, guys, we look forward to the next one. Thanks for hanging out.